middle school number 2, taking a tour of our facilities. I have with us our project manager, our superintendent, and the whole team here working hard to prepare for middle school number 2. Want to show you some things that they are working on here. You can see here a rendering of our new middle school. This is Sarah. She's in charge of everything.
Hi, how are you? Welcome to Gerald Middle School number 2. We're thrilled to have you. Can't wait for this to open in July of 2025 for all the students and community. Here's where the magic happens with the team that's around this table and our trade partners out in the field, and we're so excited to be here for Gerald ISD.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Sarah. Y'all have a great rest of the day.